In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new website using Webflow, a powerful tool that allows you to build beautiful and functional websites without needing to write code. Getting started is straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. First, let's open up Webflow. Webflow is a versatile website design platform that's especially popular among designers for its extensive customization options and clean, modern aesthetics. Once you're on the Webflow dashboard, take a look at the right-hand side of the screen. You'll see a button labeled New Site. Go ahead and click on that button. This step kicks off your journey to creating something truly unique. Next up, you'll be prompted to select a template. Webflow offers a vast array of templates that range from business-focused layouts to creative portfolios. This variety means you can easily find a template to suit your specific needs or preferences. Whether you're building a website to showcase your artwork, promote your business, or even craft an upcoming event, there's likely a template tailored just for you. The templates are designed with aesthetics and functionality in mind, allowing both form and function to shine through. As you explore these templates, bear in mind that to access some, you may need to upgrade your Webflow plan. Webflow offers both free and premium templates. The free templates provide a solid foundation and plenty of flexibility to get you started. However, if you desire more exclusive designs or specific functionalities, you might consider investing in a premium template. It's all about finding the right balance between your needs and budget. Once you've found a template that resonates with your goals, click on it to make your selection. Afterward, it's time to name your site. Enter a descriptive title that reflects the purpose or theme of your website. This step helps in organizing your projects and making them identifiable at a glance within Webflow. It's like naming a new creation. A good name sets the tone for what's to come. Finally, you're now ready to embark on the most exciting part of the process, customizing your chosen template. Webflow's design environment is intuitive yet robust, allowing for intricate customization of elements like fonts, colors, graphics, and layout. Feel free to adapt every aspect to align with your vision, ensuring that your website speaks to your audience while maintaining your unique brand identity. And there you have it. Setting up a website in Webflow is both engaging and rewarding. Whether you're a beginner or seasoned designer, Webflow empowers you to craft a compelling custom website all on your own. Now, dive into your project, experiment with the features, and most importantly, enjoy the process of bringing your ideas to life.